Hi everyone, today is Monday, June 16th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. I hope everyone enjoyed their weekend, and for all the fathers, the dads out there, yesterday, I hope you had a nice day for Father's Day. As we get this new week started, we are watching a couple of different areas of showers, one in particular where the storms could pack quite a punch, and that's going to be here in the northern plains. Vigorous area of low pressure dropping out of Canada. Pretty strong cold front with lots of rotation around that area of low pressure means change in wind direction with height. That's called wind shear. In other words, all the ingredients are coming together for a chance for severe weather, and it could be a pretty significant outbreak there in that part of the country, the northern plains up through Minnesota. We got showery weather still here in the south, anywhere from Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, up through Tennessee. Scattered showers and storms, some locally heavy rain, but no severe weather really expected, at least nothing widespread. 86 will be your high today in Grand Rapids, so very much feeling like summer on this Monday. 83 in Detroit, 83 in Chicago, 77 in Cleveland with some scattered showers, maybe a pop-up thunderstorm this afternoon. The storms out there toward Des Moines and Minneapolis, those are the ones that are really going to pack quite a punch. Scattered showers and storms from Pittsburgh to Cincinnati to Louisville, Memphis, Nashville, St. Louis, Roanoke. It doesn't really matter where you are. This is kind of the northern extent of the showers. The shower and thunderstorm threat, I think, is a little bit higher as you travel your way southbound. 87 for you tomorrow in Detroit, 82 on Wednesday. So we've really turned up the heat. Maybe just a smidge cooler for the end of the week, but it looks like it could get exceptionally hot later in the weekend heading into next week. So just a heads up on that. The end of June could be a very hot end of June for much of the Great Lakes and maybe even extending into the Northeast. We could be pretty close to 90 tomorrow in Chicago, a little bit cooler Wednesday, Thursday, but still well into the 80s. And again, it looks like it could be a very hot last week of June. So just a heads up. 73 with some scattered showers in D.C. today. And then, so it's clearly a front right here, right? Because south of that, you're up into the upper 80s, near 90, north of the front. It's very much spring, so it's dividing spring from summer, but pretty much the entire south, it's into a summery pattern. It's warm, it's humid, there are scattered showers and thunderstorms, and that's what you can expect this time of the year. In Charlotte, this weather pattern stays with us through at least Thursday. Temperatures peaking 90 or better, and I mean, it's not much better here Friday into the weekend. That AC is going to be going pretty much all the time. A warm start in Fort Lauderdale this morning. It'll be sunny and hot this afternoon. There's the slightest chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm to pop up in the daytime heating. Most of the showers and storms, I think, will be out toward central Florida and maybe the west coast of Florida, out toward the Gulf Coast. Temperatures over the next several days still peaking in the upper 80s to around 90, probably right through the upcoming weekend. Not a bad week at all ahead for South Florida. All right, that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great start to their week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.